Welcome to Pro Lighting. Pro Lighting was founded in 1998 and was established in China, in the Nanhai region of Foshan City. Our factory covers an area of 40,000 square meters. We have our own workshops for spinning, polishing, reflector anodizing, automatic die casting, CNC, and LED light assembly. Pro Lighting has strict quality control and inspection standards, such as aging test, QC test, integrating sphere test, illumination tests, etc., all of which are performed before every shipment. Our main business is the production of commercial lighting and home lighting, such as downlights, track lights, pendant lights, and wall washers. Now let's take a look at some popular products. The downlight. This downlight series is designed with anti-glare and flicker-free features. This light uses Citizen COB and Philips driver, and it can also be customized. The diamond reflector in the light makes the product more efficient. What's unique about this product is that the special heatsink design makes the light to look more polished than when the cooling fins are exposed. With all the fins hidden inside the light, the cooling effect is ensured. This downlight is easy for anyone to install. The clip of the light will fit into ceilings of different thicknesses, ensuring a secure installation. This LED downlight series will brighten your life, protect your eyes, and ensure safety during your installation. The heatsink of this product is made from die casting aluminum, which speeds up the cooling process. The improved cooling will protect the chips inside the light, and it will improve the longevity of them as well. In addition to that, the everlasting flame retardant fixture will save your life in case of a fire. Now we would like to introduce the latest downlight designs. This new series of downlights have round and square shapes, which can meet different requirements. The heatsink is made of high quality die casting aluminum, which promotes better heat dissipation and longer lifespan. Using a superior Citizen COB and global brand driver, the light has a very low luminous decay, low power dissipation, and high efficiency. The luminous flux is over 95 lumen per watt. This light includes a high efficiency reflector with beam angles of 15, 24, and 38 degrees and can be customized upon request. This downlight can be rotated 350 degrees horizontally and 30 degrees vertically. After adjustment, this light can be a downlight or a wall washer. There are a variety of inner rings available for different requirements. This light is also easy to install with a fixable screw. The next downlight embellishes a ring structure, which improves the anti-glare effect drastically. The aluminum on the surface is thick, so it produces a more solid ring and also demonstrates a pursuit of high-quality products. This downlight has an interchangeable heatsink design, and we provide a PC holder and metal holder of your choice. Besides downlights, our track lights are also one of the best sellers of the company. In this series, the lamp arm can be rotated 350 degrees so that it's easier to change the light range. There are heat dissipating holes under the electrical box so that the heat can be transferred to the outside as soon as possible. The electric box is made of environmental protective, flame retardant, and anti-UV PC plastic. It will not deform and change color for a long time and will not be brittle and tattered. The next two items are popular for the unique and high-quality heatsink designs. One product uses the PC gearbox, and the other one has a built-in driver adapter per your selection. The black and white color of the products is suitable for any type of aesthetics. In addition, our R&D team has developed a new and distinctive track light. This track light can be rotated 350 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically. This fulfills the largest light range. With built-in driver in the lamp arm and a separation with the lamp, it will ensure better heat dissipation and longer lifespan. We use a high-quality reflector with 18, 24, 36, or 60 degrees, chosen by you per your satisfaction. This newest track light can also be a surface light after adjustments. Next, we have pendant lights. The design of the pendant light is simple but efficient. Customers can choose between aluminum or glass diffusers for the body, and the ring on the end cap with a UV-5 resistant material on the lamp gives the illusion of multiple layers. This product is suitable for cafes, lounges, restaurants, and homes. Pendant lights with aluminum, PC, or glass diffusers and non-screw designs are suitable for supermarkets, shopping malls, and high ceilings. In addition, we'd like to recommend to you our newly designed pendant lights. This is an upward and downward light with a glass diffuser of 10 watts LED, which gives off a soft and romantic vibe. The 30 watts downward light fulfills the daily office lighting requirement. Different color options are also available for this product. Another pendant light series can be made with lengths of 150, 200, 300, or 400 millimeters or at a customized length, and lamps with combinations of 2, 3, 4, or 5 heads, which are also customizable. We are using a high efficiency reflector with a beam angle of 18, 24, 36, or 60 degrees. Moreover, we have a linear light, the length of which can be 0.6 meters or 1.2 meters. This light can be installed as a pendant light, surface light, and also a wall light. These products are designed to be specific environments, and the lengths can also be customized upon request. We invite you to visit our company. ProLighting is continuously growing, earning appreciation from global buyers and always providing customers with quality products and exceptional service. We hope you enjoyed our introduction to ProLighting. For more information, please contact our sales team or visit our website. Thank you.